Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSN Cards coming back at you once again. On to box number 2. 2010 Panini Gridiron Gear. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. I'll keep the checklist just in case. And the camera went sideways. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Pack 1. Rookie orientation of Rolando McClain for the Raiders. It's not numbered. Oh, we got a pullout. Oh, not bad at all. For the Browns. For the Browns, we got a pullout of Mr. Colt McCoy. That one's numbered at a 255. I love the design. I honestly love that card. Those pullouts are really nice looking. Colt McCoy pullout for the Browns. That one's numbered 147 of 255. And there it is. Real nice looking card there. So there you go, Jeff. Nice card for you. We got an ex-rookie of Tyson Alulu, at a 250 for the Jags. Oh my God, Ortiz just hit a home run. Rookie orientation, Eric Decker for the Broncos at a 250. Which I just dropped on the ground. Let me just organize that stack. Stack just fell. Alright, and we're off again. Rookie orientation, Vikings out of 100, Toby Gerhart. So really nice Colt McCoy, silver ink with the jersey. An X of Darrelle Revis for the Jets out of 250. And I actually am going to go through the base one more time because I might have missed some rookies. John Connor for the Jets, not numbered. Sometimes I actually missed a bunch of rookies, so I'll go through it afterwards and put them aside. Those rookies are not numbered, but I do know I just missed some. Rookie of Chris Gronkowski for the Cowboys. It's a rookie. Yeah, I know I was missing a few, so this looks like it'll be the next hit. And it is. It'll be a jersey. It says Prime, but it's definitely not a patch. It is a jersey. Numbered 13 out of 50 for the Raiders, Rolando McClain. Tell me that's a patch. It's definitely a jersey. Rolando McClain for the Raiders. And a rookie of Komisi for the Dolphins. An X of Justin Gage for the Titans out of 100. And a rookie of Dan Williams for the Cardinals. This pack feels heavy. Just the decoy. And an insert game breaker, Michael Crabtree for the 49ers at a 250. And a rookie of Logan Paulson for the Redskins. And so far we got 2 hits. Rolando McClain jersey. Pulled the Colt McCoy auto jersey. Arian Foster at a 250, Texans. A rookie of Max Hall for the Cards. Alright, we got a dual jersey. Jets and Ravens, Ray Lewis and Dustin Keller at a 250. Ravens and Jets. Ray Lewis, Dustin Keller. There it is. So we got 3 hits. There's a rookie as well, Sergio Kindle for the Ravens.
You're probably not getting called up to the majors, but you're close. That's true. Finish like a pro with Kevin Woodstains. Kevin, that's
Duke Calhoun, rookie for the Giants. Let's get one more nice hit. Rookie X of Chris Cook. That one's out of 250 for the Vikings. And a rookie of Parrish Cox for the Broncos. Alright, we got 4 packs left, fellas. 4 packs left. And this will be an auto. Rookie X auto of Dennis Pitta for the Ravens. That one's numbered out of 99. Dennis Pitta. There it is. Rookie of Brandon Banks for the Redskins. 3 packs left. For the Panthers, we have a Steve Smith insert, not numbered. A rookie of Joe Webb for the Vikings. 2 packs left. An X of Clay Matthews for the Packers at a 250. And a rookie of Chris Cook for the Vikings. And this will be the last pack. Hit a nice Colt McCoy auto in this box. That was good. Crash Course, Jason Witten, Aaron Ross at a 250. And a rookie of Kerry Meir for the Falcons. So that is it. That wraps up that box of Gridiron. Hit of the box, clearly the Colt McCoy pull-out auto. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.